Sraith Pictiúr trídeag taithí oibre san idir bhliain work experience in transition year. Tá cruinneoir siúl a hall in a scoile. There's a meeting taking place in the school hall. Tá múinteoir caint faoi taithí oibre san idir bhliain. The teacher is talking about work experience in transition year. Tá go leor daltai in si géisteach le caint. There's a lot of students sitting down listening to her talking. Feicimid lista mala, we see a list of na hunna oibre mala of the work placements on the wall. Tá na hunna oibre an lista seo, the work placements are the place of work are on this list. Caitheadh na daltai labhairt leis na hunna seo madair le na taithí oibre. The students have to speak with these centres or place of work in relation to their taithí oibre, their work experience. Tá an múinteoir géirí socruithe I dhéanamh leis na daltai. The teacher is trying to make arrangements with the students. Der she go bhfuil taithí oibre ar fáil sa bhunscoil agus sa gharáiste. She says that work experience is available in the primary school and in the garage. Currently in case, she puts the question, and will sim again dinner sna postna sin? Does anyone have interest in those jobs? A der múinteoir, says the teacher. Current buachaill aháin a lámh an orda. One boy puts his hand up. Der she go bhfuil sim again sa fós sa bhunscoil. He says he has an interest in the job in the primary school. Der buachaill eile go bhfuil sim again sa fós sa gharáiste. Another boy says he's an interest in the job in the garage. Tagann an chéad lá den taithí oibre, the first day of the work experience arrives. Tá gharáiste néal agus bhunscoil an chlochar site in aice le chéile. O'Neill's garage and bhunscoil an chlochar, the convent primary school, are situated beside each other. Siúlann an bhirt bhuachaill go dtí na hunna oibre le chéile. The two boys walk to the work sites together. Fágann siad slán ar a chéile thart ar 8 o'clock. They say goodbye to each other around 9 o'clock. Tá doras an gharáiste ar oscailt agus tá córas Tagann. The door of the garage is open and there is a car inside it. Búil an buachaill aháin leis an bríomhaide ag ifig an phríomhaide. One boy meets with the principal at the principal's office. Cuireann an phríomhaide fáilte móribhe. The principal gives him a great welcome. Oibríonn an buachaill seo mar chúntóir ranga sa bhunscoil. Now this is a new thing for most people. The boy works as a classroom assistant in the primary school. Feicimid póster ar mala le litreach orthu. We see posters on the walls with letters on them. Tá úl, líród, cat agus madair na póster sin. There's an apple, a ball, a cat, etc. on those posters. Tá an buachaill I bhaile na níán. The youngster, or the boy, is I bhaile na níán. This is a new phrase, a kind of difficult one to remember. He is in charge of the youngsters. Tá na páistí géisteach go géir leis. The children are listening very carefully to him. Tagann an buachaill cóirla agus smaoineamh eile don na páistí. The boy gives advice and another idea to the children. Sa dara chuid. Tá obair alíne ar siúl sa dara chuid, comma. There's artwork taking place in the second part also. Oibríonn an buachaill seo mar chúntóir sa gharáiste. This boy works as an assistant. We had it in the previous one as an assistant in the garage. Darren McNor go mbíonn service umlán ar fáil sa gharáiste seo. The mechanic says that there's a full service available in this garage. Tá sé gobar ar an inal le franga. He's working on the engine with a franga with a wrench. Scúban an buachaill an túrlar le scúb. The boy sweeps the floor with a brush. Tá na shelfanna lán le cannaí agus buidéal ile. The shelves are full of cans and bottles of oil. Tá na daltai ag caint leis an múinteoir nuair tá an taithí oibre thart. The students are speaking with the teacher when the work experience is over. Tugann siad aiseolalas. They give feedback de faoin taithí oibre. They give her feedback about the work experience. Ceapan buachaill aháin go raibh a lán buntáiste ag buint leis an taithí. One boy thinks there's a lot of advantages to the experience. Der buachaill eile gur tháirg an McNor post-saoirg dó. Another boy says that the mechanic offered him, tháirg sé is a verb, he offered him a post-saoirg, a summer job. Der buachaill aháin go raibh sé tíirseach gach lá. One boy said he was tired every day, mar bhí an obair anna chrua, that the work was very hard and that's why he was tired. Der buachaill eile gur hill sé a lán airgid as. Another boy said that he earned a lot of money from it.